Professional real estate photography services. We combine artistic vision with technical precision to showcase your real estate in the best light. We offer stunning visuals, we capture every angle, every detail, and every emotion. Our photos tell a story that resonates with potential buyers. It is essential to understand natural lighting and how to harness natural light to create warm, inviting spaces. It's all about details, from cozy living rooms to spacious kitchens. We highlight the unique features of each property. Curb appeal matters. Let us showcase your property's facade, landscaping, and outdoor amenities. From elegant bedrooms to gourmet kitchens, we capture the heart of your home. We also offer virtual tours to help you take potential buyers on a virtual journey through your property. Contact us today. Call or visit our website today for more information.